How to get Lemon8 app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with an easy tutorial. To get a Lemon8 application, you can easily find it in your Play Store or App Store. You have to search for Lemon8 application, then tap on the suggested app and leave it for install. After it is installed, you can go ahead and tap open your Lemon8 application. Now to set it up, go ahead and select your birth date. Select next. Then select your pronouns, or you can skip for now. Select your interest, or you can skip it as well. To log into your account, you can continue with Google, Facebook, email, TikTok, or Twitter. Tap on any of this and select an account to log in or connect it with the Lemon8 application. And just like that, you'll be able to log into your account. So Lemon8 application is similar to your Instagram, Pinterest, or your TikTok. You can easily follow creators or your friend and even post your own content by tapping on the plus sign icon at the middle of the screen. To follow a creator, tap on the notification icon and tap on the follow option. You can enhance your profile by editing your profile and adding a bio. Tap on the plus sign icon to upload your very first post on Lemon8 application. And that is how you can easily get set up and upload your very first post on your Lemon8 application. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.